You tell yourself you're done, you don't like it anymore, and yet you return. You've tried willpower, discipline, even guilt. Nothing seems to last. Most people blame themselves. They call it weakness, failure, or shame. But the truth is deeper. It's not about weakness. It's about what your mind is seeking when your body acts before you decide. This is where most advice fails. It tells you stop, pray, avoid. But the moment you treat the urge as the enemy, you fight the wrong battle. The urge itself is just energy. It's habit seeking comfort. It's your mind asking for reward, distraction, or avoidance, not your true self. If you never understand why it returns, every attempt to resist will feel like climbing a hill that moves. Stoicism doesn't tell you to hate the urge. It doesn't ask you to punish yourself. It teaches you to observe before reacting. Notice the impulse. Understand what it's trying to tell you about your choices. Control comes from conscious attention, not suppression. Discipline isn't stopping an urge. It's deciding what matters more than this moment. Before we talk about exact steps you can take, here's what you need to understand. When you feel the urge, do not immediately react. Do not judge yourself harshly. Do not assume you are weak. Instead, notice it like a signal. Ask yourself, is this serving the person I want to become? And will this action matter tomorrow, next week, or next month? Once you see the urge clearly, you are ready for actionable discipline. And here are the exact steps you need to take whenever you find yourself in this familiar situation. First, awareness. The moment you feel the pull, label it silently. Here is a habit, not a command. You don't need to act yet. Just see it, name it. That pause gives you space for choice, and that space is power. Second, redirection. Take the energy the urge creates and channel it immediately. Go for a walk, write, train, or focus on your craft. The moment energy appears, don't fight it, redirect it. That's discipline in action. Third, reflection. Ask, will this choice build the version of me I respect? If yes, act. If no, remain still. Silence is your ally. Restraint is not suffering, it's practice. Keep this as a reminder that this is not shame, but this is control. Most people never master themselves because they react before understanding. Stoicism teaches patience, observation, precision. You will fail sometimes, that's fine. Failure is feedback, not verdict. Discipline isn't about stopping urges, it's about seeing clearly, choosing wisely, and returning to yourself. And in the end, this does not try to make you perfect, but tries to create the better version of the imperfect you, through clarity. Follow for more lessons you won't hear anywhere else. Reflect, apply, grow.